And here we have a 31-foot 2003 Coachmen Santara for $26,995. This is a rig that I would try to make a deal on as far as trying to get the price down. For one, it's on the little bit of the old side. There's some cosmetic things. However, whoever owned it previously did a really poor caulk job on this. I guess their intentions were right, but yeah, that's not very good. And of course the decals are fading and cracked. The slide has some damage here in the corner. I do like all the storage on this. This makes it a Super C with all the storage underneath. Looks like it has louvered Venetian type windows, which are really nice. I like those. It lets air breezes flow through so nicely. Backup camera. I don't know why they painted over the Coachmen, or maybe they took the decals off. I don't know what was going on with this rig. Maybe they tore the decals off. I don't know if that's a pass-through storage. Yeah, that's pass-through storage, which is really nice to have. Awning's okay, it appears. What I look for are tears or shreds or whatever. And yeah, it's somewhat rimpled, but it probably hasn't been pulled out in a while. Okay, let's enter. I would just, do some fixing up on this. Battery under the step. No battery. Oh yeah, 2 batteries, okay. This unit needs some TLC. It's been very used. More of the old style type of furnishings. Nice big slide in this. Overhead cab. Yeah, we've had some leaks here. Smelled a little funny when I entered. That's all coming off. And you can see the stains on the front curtains. Oh yeah, look over there in the corner. That's not good at all. What a shame. This is why these babies need to be maintained and kept up with. And use the proper type of caulk. Yeah, if I were to buy this, I'd have to really check it out further. There is staining on the ceiling here. It's just not good. Has ducted air, which I do like. The galley kitchen. That stove is odd. Why is there a white stove in here? That is odd. 3-burner stove. This one has an oven. Not a whole lot of storage for the kitchen area. A little pantry here though, which is good. So that, oh yeah, I like that better. Although the pull-out shelves are nice, the slide-out, you just can't get as much in them. A couple of drawers here, and the Dometic refrigerator, freezer on top, fridge on bottom. A dinette area with overhead cabinets, which makes it nice for storage. Let's see how deep these cabinets are. Not very deep. If you like to carry printers and stuff like that, I need deeper cabinets. But still, it's nice to have that. Okay, the shower is beside the refrigerator kitchen refrigerator, bed in the back, typical old style Class C. It's a shame this thing has some more leaks. There's a leak up there in that corner. Yeah, there's leak stains in that corner. That's unfortunate. The closet, little cabinet here, a place for the TV here, your old 2-type TV. No big deal. This one would be very, very easy to put a mount on the wall, or even mount, just let it sit on there. Okay, this one unit has a step up here, which means that the water tank is probably underneath the bed. Or underneath that area. Oh, no, 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 no. This is a pass-through. So that's part of the pass-through. This unit has this right here by the bed. That's part of the pass-through that runs under the bed, which means you get a little bit of storage from about here to here. Let's check out the bathroom. There we go. Generous cabinet space in the bathroom. Information here. Pause to read. Has the gold in it. Okay, let's do a spin around here. TV over here. You could always mount a larger one if you like larger TVs. Okay, so that is it for the 31-foot 2003 Coachmen Santara for $26,995.